Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's February 20th, 2025, and it's about 10:30 in the morning. And it's been really foggy this morning, but the sun's starting to come out, so kind of blinded right now. I'm going to come down here. Hopefully this golf cart starts, since it wasn't plugged in. And hopefully get enough traction to make it up the hill, but I doubt that. I'm gonna give it a try anyway. Hey, got her started. Go down on feet, then we'll see if we can make it up the hill. Yeah, it's still kind of slick out here. Yeah, right. Okay, I doubt if she makes it up the hill today. Until it melts a little bit more. Good morning, Harold. Edith gets fed first. Inside the loose flake. There you go, Edith. Alright, they've all been fed. Yeah, I know. I'll get grain later. Yeah, I need to fix that barn roof. It's leaking bad in there. Hey, Harold, you happy? I'll go turn the water on and water you here in a minute, since you knocked your dish over again. Here's Edith. She's a good pig when she's eating. Other than that, she's noisy. Well, the clouds have parted, which is good. A lot of blue in the sky. Sure is bright on my eyeballs. That's okay though. Yeah, some clouds over there. And a new line in the sky. Yeah. Should be a nice day. Alright, backed up. Let's see if I can't get her going again up the hill. This is gonna take me a while. Well, we're not going very far. So I can turn this thing around. Try to go back up the other way. At least I park it back